A Canadian news corporation from Canada recently featured Seoul Guide Medical. Here is part of the interview with Seoul Guide Medical CEO Tony Medina.
So all of our customers are from other countries, and the majority are from English-speaking countries, with the base being Canada, USA, Europe, and Australia.
Are also getting plastic surgery.
Yeah, so that's an interesting thing because, first of all, I'm a med. I also used to have some stigmas associated with plastic surgery and cosmetic procedures in general, but after living here for some time, it changed very quickly. Now, 30 to 40% of our customers are male. My nose was a little bit downward pointing, so one doctor called Dr. Chemi, not answered plastic surgery, did my rhinoplasty. He removed the hump. You can see it's, nicely proportioned to my face, and he raised my tip ever so slightly to be in the right angle. Most correct angles are usually 95 to 105 degrees. So if it's like too low or too high, it doesn't really look that great. So yeah, he fixed my nose. And then I do a lot of skin treatments when I get the chance as well. For men, the chin implant is quite popular, the chin and the nose, because your face is divided into thirds. The chin is done with an implant through the lip, so you just kind of pull the lip out, and you place the implant inside, and it gives it a little bit more definition here. I insert about 15 threads per side, done by hand. It almost looks like an injection. It's looped, tightened, and pulled. So basically it tightens your skin, giving you a more V-line, chiseled jaw kind of look. It only takes about an hour or so, and it lasts about 6 months to 12 months, the non-surgical one. The surgical one lasts about 5 years.
Before we continue, make sure you check out soulguidemedical.com for more information. For a free consultation, email us at soulguidemedical@gmail.com and include your name, birthday, and photos of the areas you want improved.
Better to do balance. If you achieve balance in your face, then you'll be beautiful. Across cultures, people who have balance in their face are considered beautiful. You are judged a lot based on how you look, the clothes you wear, the makeup you put on. So taking care of yourself on the outside is very important as well. Those in their 50s or 60s looking for skin or plastic surgery. Most of the customers are between 20 and 40. But the thing is, if you don't do preventative care, you're going to age at a much faster rate than people who do preventative care. In clinics here, Korean people do it every month, sometimes every week. So they really take care of themselves to keep their youthful look longer. And they usually find us by going to our website, soulguidemedical.com. And we have about more than 50 YouTube videos showing procedures, consultations, and answering a lot of questions that people have. Create a treatment plan for you, and then if you wish, you come over here and then we take care of you from start to finish. There's also no fee for the patient. So we have contracts with different hospitals. If you come to the clinic alone or whether you come through our company, the price is the same to the client. So it's really a win-win for everybody.
Close your eyes, please. So good.
In terms of looking after yourself, like when you're a teenager you might not look after yourself that much, but when you get older, going into like the more working world and the world, I think you need to kind of give an image, so people like take care of that image.
It's fine to do it here, so why not? Why should I hold myself back on something which makes me look better, to be honest?
A rhinoplasty to fix a broken nose, and
So what was it like before?
it was what was it like
Okay,
before?
it was like crooked to one side, so it was curved to one side. That was because of the accident. So he was riding his bike, and his bike flipped over because he hit a curb that it was like in the night and he couldn't see it, and he fell onto his face and basically just broke his nose. That's in Seoul.
Yeah, that was here. And I basically didn't get treated and I went to a hospital.
Technical term was a bulbous tip or something like that.
So, before I never even thought about doing any kind of surgery like that at all, but I ended up going for it. And then various skin treatments and some teeth pulled out,
Oh, yeah.
crowns,
Everything.
fillings.
For me, I had the filler done, and I chose to do the 2-year filler, I believe. It would last 2 years. Because anything above that would be kind of... So there's different types of fillers. And for this type of filler that I got, it could be dissolved if I didn't like it. I might actually get a nose job. I don't know if I can afford it. And Botox as well.
You got laser surgery.
Ooh!
on your eyes.
Yes! I had LASIK and I had ICL done for my eyes.
What is
So
ICL?
it's where they insert a lens into basically into your eye, yeah. So instead of doing the laser correction where they remove material, you put a lens in the eye itself.
It's a worldwide trend, but specifically here, want to look at the idea of people not necessarily in their like 60s or 70s who want to look 40, but you know, guys like you who are not even yet 30, right? Can you talk a little bit about where that desire would come from?
If you picture someone in your mind who is a successful person, you're probably going to think they're attractive.
Him that makes him beautiful, but he's so symmetrical and in proportion. He's balanced, just like Haji said.
Yeah,
That's
let's
what
look at a
it looks
picture
like.
and see. Oh
Here's a
yeah.
good looking guy, right?
Yeah.
Seoul, Korea is the mecca of plastic surgery, skincare, and other medical tourism procedures in the world. The government of Korea has invested heavily into medical tourism infrastructure, technology, and training. And there is no better place to get the medical treatments you are after. Seoul is a thriving city, and Seoul Guide Medical is here for you. We take care of everything so you can focus on your treatment and recovery. We provide you with online consultation and phone consultation, create your treatment plan with your doctor, provide airport pickup, help arrange accommodations, provide in-clinic translation, consulting, and we take care of you after your procedure as well. We are there with you on all your clinic visits. We are here for you even if you leave Korea, and you can always contact us for anything you need. Seoul Guide Medical. Happy, smiling patients always. For a free consultation, email us at soulguidemedical@gmail.com. If you like this video, subscribe, like, and share.